Redis lets every key carry a built-in timer. When that timer hits 0, the key disappears, no cron job, no cleanup code required. A time to live tells Redis how long to keep a key alive. You use it anytime. Data has a natural shelf life, a login session, a cached response, a one-time password. When a deadline is set, Redis stores an absolute timestamp. On every access, it checks lazily, but a background sweep also proactively evicts keys that nobody has touched, so memory stays clean. Watch TTL drop to -1 after PERSIST. The key is now permanent. Then EXPIRE reattaches a fresh countdown of 30 seconds, and TTL confirms it. The classic mistake is setting a lock with set, then a separate EXPIRE call. If the process crashes between them, the lock has no TTL and never releases. Always fold the expiry into the set command. Keep the golden rule in mind. Set the expiry atomically with the write. And remember the two negative TTL values. -1 means no expiry set. -2 means the key is gone.